Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not installed on the application of Calm. We will go to settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, we will search about Calm and you can click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your